What's up, guys? My name's Santi, or Santiago, whichever way. I'm in Times Square, living in New York City. This is kind of my introduction to street photography using a GoPro. So let's see what happens. I'm shooting with a Fujifilm X-T3, 18 to 55 crop sensor, mirrorless camera. So it should be pretty interesting. It's about 8 o'clock right now. It's supposed to be pretty crazy outside, and I don't know. Let's see what happens. So yeah, let's get it. Set up. So the lighting here is not the same as it's gonna be over there. It's super bright over there. So let's see what's happening. We're gonna shoot until my battery dies, because I think I only have like 2 bars. Yeah, I have 2 bars. So let's see what happens. We're gonna try to get past to take some portrait shots. It's a little bit harder with zoom lens, but it's possible.
Today was more of like me reading.
Man, I can speak in English. I like to take these reflections. They're so cool.
And rule number 3, when the music comes on, everybody find the rhythm. Right to it, especially. You love me like music. You do. And yeah, black jokes too. Oh yeah, black jokes? Shut up, sir. Here we go.
Whenever I take pictures, you think that, man, my pictures kind of suck. But then when you start editing them, it's like, damn, it looks pretty cool. Especially like these close-up shots. Make anything look cool. I don't know what that guy's saying. Half the time, the autofocus is pretty off. About this battery. Oi. Damn. Okay. I guess that's cool. Thing not focusing. That's what makes money.
Let me see. You got it? I see it. You gonna take a photo of somebody and not let them show them? I like it. Be good, boss. You have fun, alright?
You too, man. People are like, what the train are you taking pictures of? A couple here. I love this song. Oh, that was a quick one. Probably didn't realize.
Yeah.
Maybe it did. Probably realize that. Being in Times Square, you gotta be careful sometimes. I mean, these cameras are everywhere. I'm probably like in trouble and all of them. But bruh.